Hi guys, I'm Monica from WP Hope. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website. Nowadays, we are quite interested in online shopping, and so for that we visit e-commerce website, choose the product and shop that online. So you might be interested to build e-commerce website, or you might be interested how can we build such kinds of website where we can sell our products. Okay, so now let's get started for creating an e-commerce website. It's going to be very simple, which involves only 5 steps. Here, the first step is to install a theme and choose design. And next is to delete all the sample products. Then the third step is to add our own products. Fourth is to change currency. And the last step is to change the look of your website. Before this, if you haven't got domain name and hosting, then do visit our previous tutorial on how to get a free hosting and domain in 2022. You can get the link of it on description box or you can click on I button. Okay, now we're going to install a theme called Astra, which is going to let us import the sample site. So to install a theme, we are here in the dashboard of this website, and for installing a theme, we should go in the appearance, and here in the appearance choose the theme option. Then now click on add new, then search your theme Astra. So this is the theme, Astra theme, so let us install it. Now it is installed and now let us activate it because we require it. Then it is activated. Now in order to import sample site, then click on here the theme detail and you can see the option of starter templates. So click on it. Here you can see several kinds of templates and of the different options. We are building an e-commerce website, so let us choose this option, and here inside it you can see several options what type of e-commerce site you want to build. And I want to build a clothing store, so let me click on the clothing store, and then you have to choose the templates from here. So here I'm going to choose this template. If you click on it, then you can see this as the preview. This is a live preview, and let's skip and continue this. If you want to change the colors, then you can change from here, and the fonts you can also change from here, whatever the designs you wish to make. And then again click on continue, and now here submit and build my website. So it's building, wait for a while. Now it is ready, your theme has been installed. So now let's see this as our previous site. It was our website which is just empty without any editings, and just recently we have added the e-commerce theme. So let us refresh it and see the change over here. Now you can see the change over here. This is theme which we have added, and now this is a complete e-commerce website. This is just a sample, and now it is completely built. Here you can add the product of your own choice. Here, if you will look and if you click on this, then you can see here there is option of buying and adding the add to the cart. If you will add it to the cart, then you will see this option of it has been added to your cart. If you will view cart there, then there is option of payment. You can pay and proceed to checkout. Now to add the product of our own, let us go into our dashboard, and here click on products. Then you can see these are the default product which are added to our site. So in order to delete them, click on this tick option, and then here go into bulk action and move to trash. Then click on apply. You can see these all our products are deleted. Now the next step is to add the product of our own. So for that you can click on here the add new option. If you click on it, then you can see this interface. You will be asked to give the name of your product. So I'm going to give the name pant. Now if you will swipe down, then you can see the price over here. Add the price here. Here you have to write the description about this dress. So I'm going to write here. Now here, in order to add the image of your product, then click on Add Media. Here you can see the option of drop and drag the file. Then now drag it and drop it over here. And now it is dropped, and set the product image. And when it is set, let us publish it. Let us see in our dashboard, and here if you go into the store, then you can see this which we have added. And if you click on it, and you can see the add cart option and the price which we have added here, and this is a description which we have added there. And now you can see by default there is a currency of dollar, and now it is a step how can we change this currency into the currency which we require. Now in order to change our currency, let us go to the WooCommerce, and if you click on it, and there inside click on this setting option. Here now this is the place where you can set everything all about your products. And so here if you scroll down, you can see here the option of currency. It is in US dollar. Then if you select over here, then you can add the currency of your choice. Like I'm adding the Nepalese rupees. So now let me write here, and now click on Save Changes. And now it is saved. Similarly from here you can also edit several other options too. Now we have changed our currency. Now if you go to the dashboard and refresh it, then you can see the currency in Nepalese rupees. If you want to change the outlook of your site, like if you want to change this text and many this menus options and the logo of your site, and wanted to display some feature products over here, then here now for editing that you have to go to the editor Elementor option. Now here we are in the editor of Elementor, and if you suppose we want to change this text one option, so then you can click on this edit option, and now you can see this is the text which is over here, and so you can write the text of your own by the products. And by going here you can increase and decrease the size of it, so I'm keeping this one. And similarly if you want to edit this, then click on this edit option, and here 25% you can change it here, you can write any kinds of over here. And similarly likewise if you want to change these all editing option also, you can go on this edit option. And suppose if you wish to change this image, then go to this three dot option. Then you go to this edit option and just click on this style one. Here you can see the image, and if you go for choosing image, then let me choose this image, and now let me insert it. Then you can see the image has been changed. And similarly furthermore if you want to change this image too, then also you can go to this section and go to style. In here you can choose the image of your choice of any images you can choose, and then insert it. Then you can see the sudden change over here. And now let us update our post. And now let's go to our site, and you can see the changes over here. And now similarly here you can see several menu options over here, and you wish to remove some of the menu options from here, then just go to customize. Here in this customize section, if you hover your mouse here, and you can see the edit option blue dotted one. So if you click on this edit option, then if you click here in the main menu, then you can see these all options. And suppose we want to delete this about option, then just click on that arrow down and just click on remove. And you can see this, the about option has been removed. Furthermore, we want to remove this one too, then click on remove it. And similarly we can also arrange them too, like suppose we want to keep it above than that one option over here, you can arrange it in this way. And now finally you can publish, and it is published. Furthermore, if you want to change the logo of your site, then just click on this edit option, Here, this is the logo of your site, and if you want to change logo, then you can click on change logo, or if you wish to write the name of your site title over here, then just remove this logo first, and when it is removed, then just on this option, and this is their site title which is displayed over there. Or if you wish to create just the logo or select the logo for there, then you can choose the image and just select there. So let me select this logo. Let me skip cropping. Okay? And this logo is visible, however the color is not clearly visible. Then now let us publish it. And if you go to our site, then we can see the change to our site. So this is all about how you can create e-commerce website. Now you can easily build e-commerce website, edit it, add new products to your store and let the customer to buy them. Here in this video we haven't discussed about setup payment method. I will make another video for it so it could be much easy for you. Till that, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and stay safe.